At Viet-Long An Mechanical, every export order represents not only a shipment leaving our factory, but also our commitment to quality, professionalism, and reliability for international customers. Before leaving the factory, all products are carefully inspected and thoroughly prepared to ensure safety throughout the entire international transportation process. For warehouse racking components and mechanical products, we apply different packing methods depending on the product dimensions, characteristics, and specific customer requirements. Heavy components are securely bundled with steel strapping, and the corners are reinforced with protective cardboard or flat steel bars to minimize the risk of impact damage during handling and transportation. Upright frames and beams are neatly arranged on wooden pallets and wrapped with protective stretch film to ensure stability during long-distance shipment. Small parts and accessories are packed into carton boxes and organized on pallets to facilitate efficient handling and container loading. Finally, all packages are clearly labeled with shipping marks, ensuring smooth transportation, efficient cargo handling, and full compliance with international import-export regulations. From manufacturing to packing and export, Viet-Long An Mechanical ensures that every product is delivered to customers safely, professionally, and in accordance with international standards.